What is this sign called? No vehicles overhead shown. This sign is called no vehicles overhead shown, or it indicates that vehicles overhead shown are prohibited or not allowed. What is this sign called? No vehicles over width shown. This sign indicates that vehicles over width shown are prohibited or not allowed. Please, if this video is important for you, please subscribe, like, and share. Also leave comment. What is this called? Entry to 20 mph zone. This means entry to 20 mph zone. What is this called? End of 20 mph zone. The sign called end of 20 mph zone. What is this sign called? Maximum speed. The sign called maximum speed. Remember that these are signs giving orders. What is this sign called? National speed limit applies. The sign means national speed limit applies. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment this video to get more.